Hi everyone, my name is Xiberion, but most probably know me as Xiberion. I'm the community manager of Nadirim. My role is to bridge the gap between the development team and the players. You will meet me regularly in the forum and in the game as well. I will be conducting interviews with the guys from the development team, just to show you some insight from how the game is being developed. So I thought you might enjoy a peek to see how we created the world of Nadirim and what are the issues that we have faced.
Hi, my name is Barnabás Ábrai and I'm the lead artist from Nadirim. We didn't try to reinvent how game graphics should look like or work like. However, we wanted to visualize the essence of what the Arabian Nights is all about and build upon that. So every human character looks like Arabian, but in a game that comes out in 2011. Most of the game that we have now, they all use 3D, so it was a really nice change for us to be able to tackle 2D again. We are using 2D, and to achieve a 3D look on the map where a character can actually move around and explore the surroundings and go on the other places. Basically what we did, we have a render sequence, which means that we have a 2D object which we slice into pieces, and that piece can be rendered in different timelines. And this is how we actually render our characters, so you can go behind houses and trees and objects and you can get around places and it almost looks like 3D. We created the world of Nadirim in our own map editor, which was built in-house for us, and even the designer team uses it, also the graphic team, because we are building stuff in it and they are actually scripting it. Creating a map begins with the graphic team, who uses Photoshop to actually build the assets that we will use in the editor, and after we have the editor, we can build you basically anything from scratch. So if the designer team asks us to do a new kind of layer or a new kind of main city, a capital, or even a new desert, we can do that. It's easily done, and we build it from really little parts, and these parts are sliced into things so we can actually render them in a sequence. As in every RPG game, we have obviously tons of enemies, which we call mobs. We have three kinds of mobs. One is the animal, the others are human, and we have obviously the mythic ones. The creation of the mobs begins with going back to the basis, what this game is all about. Since we are building from an Arabian theme, it's obvious that we use jinns and the likes. But we also wanted to add our own touches to that. So we have our own mobs as well. Other than the usual skirmishes that you can see in any RPG game, we have, for example, the Barrow Tower. And I can honestly say that this is the only game that has the Barrow Tower, and it's one of my favorite characters of all. We have 5 character classes, and all of them work in different ways. So we wanted to implement different clothing and equipment and armor for them, so you can personalize and customize them. We literally have more than 2,000 pieces of equipment up to date, and we're already working on new equipment, so by the time you are watching this video, we probably have like 3,000 pieces of equipment for you to choose from.
So all you have to do now is visit our website, sign up for the beta, join our community on the forum, follow us on Twitter, and like us on Facebook. See you in the game.